everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a killer 1955 Chevrolet big back window truck. Man, just super cool truck, guys. Very sophisticated build. Truck was it was actually completed in 2012. There's just a couple thousand miles on this truck since it was done. Man, it's killer. Gorgeous ruby red paint. It's got black custom leather interior, and I love the wood bed. I'll give you a little peek of it there. It's got like a darkened wood bed in it. But man, super cool truck, man. It's got an LS1 fuel injected engine in it. 4L60E automatic overdrive trans, and man, just super cool. I actually got this on trade from a buddy of mine out of Georgia, and I apologize because if I had it a little bit, I know some people are going to say, man, it's been on your site a little bit. It had a scratch up in this front fender, and I just didn't want anybody to fix this thing because it's got such pretty paint on it. So I got a buddy of mine, Scott, here locally, and I've just been waiting patiently, and he did a beautiful job fixing that scrape on the fender. But gorgeous truck, man. It's got AVS air ride suspension. Everything's documented. I got all the receipts for the restoration. But man, is this thing pretty. This truck is cool. As we go through it, I hope I can remember everything that's on it. I'll try to remind myself as I go by. But man, just super cool truck. Again, you get in there, it's got this deep red paint. That's the first thing Scott said, man. This color on this truck is gorgeous. It's got the upgraded headlights. You can see it's got all new chrome on it. Bumpers are pretty. That front grille is gorgeous. This is a great body style, man. I love these trucks. Man, I'm just blessed right now. I feel like I've just loaded up with trucks and I love it. Pretty red paint. Last day of the nice weather and it's going to get crummy. This is the only thing I can't say that I really dig, man. I'm not real hip on the mirrors. But man, the truck's so awesome, I was going to pass up on it because of the mirrors. Glass is nice. It's got all tinted side glass on it as well. Really cool interior in it. All custom sound system. Jordy will, yeah, I mean, it's got nav. Sorry guys, a little dust here. LED lighting. This is actually a third brake light right there. The turn signals come on there. I love the dark oak wood bed. All steel. It's a little blemish there in the paint, but man, just trying to nitpick it, man. That's it. This truck's got four-wheel disc brakes. It's got a great look to it. It's got here's your brake lights, all your LED lighting, LED license plate light there. It's on a 71 C10 chassis. And again, a ton of stuff. I mean, as we go around, it's got, sorry guys, it's got a little dust on it, man. There's your, of course, it's got a custom fuel tank in it. There's your fill nozzle. Boy, this truck is just pretty. Yeah, you roll in with this thing, man, it makes a statement. It's got all CPP, slotted and drilled rotors, four-wheel disc brake system on it. Again, it's on a 71 C10 chassis, but again, all modern drivetrain. It's got a 5.7 liter LS1 fuel-injected engine in it. It's got a 4L60E automatic overdrive trans. Big freight sway bar on the front. Again, it's got AVS, four-corner adjustable air ride suspension, power steering, four-wheel power disc brakes. It's got air, heat and air. Heated and air conditioning seats. You can hear the remote on it. It's got the billet hinges on it. Howe racing aluminum radiator in it. They've reinforced the hood under there. Custom air intake. It's a cool truck, man. Of course, aluminum heads. I think I told you 4 L60E automatic overdrive trans. Man, this color just pops. Again, not super hip on the mirrors. It's got all this billet trim, power windows. It's got remote keyless entry door poppers on it. It's also got the door popper underneath so you can get in the truck at any time. Again, heated and air conditioned seats. It's got a big custom sound system in it that I don't know anything about. It's got a Ididit tilt column in it, billet steering wheel. It's got push button remote start as well. Dolphin gauge cluster. Again, it's got a Pioneer complete custom sound system in it. I guess you can download like nav and everything right to your phone. Jordy will have to walk you through that. It's got a Magnaflow dual exhaust system in it. Again, 9-inch Ford rear end with 373 gears. It's mini tubbed in the rear. You gotta put that up, Jordo. The latches in there. High-end build. And of course, a big back window, guys. Rare to find these trucks. I try to buy every one I can find. Truck's really clean underneath. I think it's got 2,100 miles on it since the truck was done. Sorry if you see that. We got piling like crazy, so pull them out here for 5 seconds and they're filthy. I do have to check on this, the door here. The little electric popper is kind of acting up. We'll make sure that gets fixed. Then all custom gauges. You can see how nice the seats are. Headliner's super cool. That's a remote for your sound system. That's it's all 4-corner adjustable or just one button push, which is just super cool. I got all the paperwork for the build. You can go ahead and start it up, Jordy. AC blows cold, and again, heated and air conditioned seats. Did you make sure the little lever was pushed back down? Did you make sure the little lever was pushed back down to shut this? So you might want to double check just so it shuts. Just make sure that, no, it's the underneath one, yeah, just make sure it's down. Yeah. It's back, okay, yep. Wow, it's a killer truck, man. Pretty. Gauges are all functional. 2152 on the odometer there. There's your air ride. Again, it's got the remote. Yeah, the remote for the AC or for the air ride. Again, all LED lighting. That's super cool, man. See the third brake light up there working? That's cool. So you can see that's on in there. Sure, just got it working, and it's got it. I think it's some kind of amp or something behind the seat here. And then here's how the function of the air ride works. You can see it kind of raise up. Go ahead, Jordy. Gotta raise the bat, yep. It's got a good look to it. Wipers. Electric wipers. Again, it's got the upgraded headlights on it. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. There should be a little button here that you can click on it. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.